Lowri from the IET and welcome to First LEGO League Junior. We're so excited that you've registered for Boomtown Build, and whatever capacity you feel that you're able to deliver the programme, these videos are just to help you along the way, give you some tips and show you what you should be focusing on in each session. So whether you're running a programme at home or in school, use this as you need to. So pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever helps you. We know that in the current situation, normal rules don't apply. So whether your team is 2 siblings at home or a larger group of children at school, or whether you're running multiple teams, it's all great. And we're just really happy that hopefully the children will be learning some new skills and having lots of fun along the way. Session 6 is called Make It Durable. So this is the final session that's about a particular element of architecture. Following this, they'll be exploring and developing the ideas they've already learned about, and then they'll incorporate those ideas into their final model, which will be their own Boomtown. This is session 6, durability. So exploring what makes buildings durable and what that means. In the warm-up, there's asking the children to name types of natural disasters that could happen where they live. Now, in the UK, we don't tend to get as many natural disasters that do happen in the rest of the world. However, not very long ago, there were, of course, the awful floods that happened. So perhaps in your community where the children live, you were really affected by those floods. So that's something that's a very real world, a tangible problem that they can relate to, and this is asking them how we can improve that and how those buildings were affected and how perhaps if they were more durable, they wouldn't have been so affected. So in the explore section, we're talking about an earthquake. So an earthquake happened in Boomtown last year. Some buildings were damaged, others were fine because they were more durable. A durable building is strong, it can last a long time. So there are 2 photographs here of 2 different buildings, and we're asking the children to identify what makes one more durable than the other. So, working on this theme of an earthquake, Marco's group are going to create an earthquake simulator using the WeDo. So they'll build and program the earthquake simulator. Now, one thing to note about this WeDo build is that it's a slightly more complex build, so it might take a little bit more time. So do bear that in mind, that maybe you want to extend this session if that's something you can do. Maybe you want to split this across two sessions, that's also fine. And maybe you want to bring in some members of May's group to help with this particular build, or maybe you want the whole team to do it. It's completely up to you and whatever works, but just to note that it may take a little bit longer than the previous builds have done. So, Marco's group are going to focus on the earthquake simulator, and May's group are going to build some Lego models of different types of buildings. And essentially, we want those buildings to be tested by the earthquake simulator to see how durable they are and what makes one more durable than the other. Really important that they note down their ideas in their engineering notebook so that when we do come to think about our own Boomtown, we can incorporate the idea of durability into that design. At the end of the session, as always, make sure the children do share with each other the ideas that they've had and what they think makes a durable building. Now, once you've finished, you can take apart the WeDo earthquake simulator, and you can take apart the Lego models. As always, if you want to take some photographs to remember what the children have done, that's great. So, session 6, make it durable. Hope you've enjoyed it. And if you do have any questions at all and you want to get in touch, as always, we are on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our website, and if you want to contact us on the email address below, please do. We really want to hear from you, and we can't wait to see what you're doing. Join us next time for session 7, where we'll start exploring how to take things further. See you soon.